Today's video is sponsored by Giant Bean. Giant Bean is a company that makes toys for little kids. So they are wooden and plastic made of toys. So we have today the fire and rescue train set, which is kind with a fire department, some mountain hills, a bridge, and it looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 people. And we begin with the instructions. So we have the train, and it comes with the ambulance and fire truck, and we have some trees and bushes. Here's the bridge and the fire station, accessories, the tracks, some racers or girders, cord tracks. Wow, we have a lot of accessories, including people and street signs, even a dog. Alright, so let's see what we have. There's a little dog, stop sign. What are these? The barriers, and there is a fire.
I think this is a fire hose.
Oh yes, okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, there is a street light, more lamp post. Oh, these are awesome.
And a firefighter.
You have the firefighter. Let me see the firefighter.
And there's two.
Oh, there's 2 firefighters. Really cool. What do you got? Oh, you have cones, safety cones.
Maybe
These are great safety cones.
we have different lights.
Yeah, we have different lights today.
And we have a table.
Is it a table? Oh, yes. Oh,
And we have fire.
what a nice table. Very tiny. Wooden table.
It's miniature. And
Here is the bridge. Really nice, and it looks very cool. Even comes with some switch tracks, switch lanes. Oh, this ambulance rig looks really cool. And the fire truck. Oh, look at the cones, safety cones. They look really cool. Now we have the locomotive or train. This you can open it and put the toy here, and it comes with an attached. Oh, look at the car. You can lift and put the other passenger in there. So it does require one AAA battery that goes here, and once you put the battery, you can turn the switch to the forward and reverse. How cool! Forward, reverse. And the fireman looks really cool with that thing. I don't know what it is. How many trees we got? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 trees and 3 bushes. What's in there?
I think this is a glass.
One thing is that I wanted to see I want to show is that in both sides you can have the tracks. Some others don't have the double-sided tracks. This one is cool. And more little tracks. So we have a lot of parts. Okay, let's begin with the fire station. You just put it in the special track like that, and the opposite wall, and then we have the roof on top of it, and done. Fire station looks really cool. And there is the fire truck. I think that's the supervisor truck. Now we have this nice ramp with the barriers. You can lift it up and lower it. That looks really awesome. That's for the vehicles. Cool. We have 4 people, 1 lady and 2 ladies, I think, and a little dog. Oh, cool. So you can move the arms are actually possible, and the legs bend, so they can be sitting on the trains or the vehicles. Looking cool. Wow! Street lights and signs, they look really awesome. They are not so tall. Let me see how can. If you see my hand, it's about the size of my fist, pretty much. And the street lamps, they're actually cool. It would be nice if this has some lights, but I understand this set is for little ones. And there is the fire. Oh, don't forget that part goes right there. And the last one goes right there. Cool. And the fire station here, and then the other side we start with the short one, then the next and the little cord track and this switch track goes here to the mountain. And let's continue with the tracks. You just put it together, the next one goes there, other one here, and another long cord right there, and the last cord tracks goes right there, and we have a complete loop of that part. Now let's continue. Goes in the ramp and the cord track, and another is the racer or girder, and we put two cord tracks and the bridge, a short track and a cord track and a small cord track and a long cord track, and we got the ramp or the mountain, and we have another cord track, that's the long one, and we have the racer or girder, and it completes the loop with the bridge right there. And I think we have the set. Now you can put the parts in here. You have the people with the little dog on the table. Now the rest is just to put the parts as it looks in the box, but you can do a configuration as you like.
Supposed to be at the front.
It's supposed to be in the front? You thought it was a cave, right? There's the fire truck. We just want to copy how it looks. There's the dog and street lamp. What do you got, Anthony? Oh, that looks cool. Yeah, the street signs. And the set is looking good. Cool. Don't forget the bushes. And what else? Yeah, it's almost like in the picture. Thank you very much, Giant Beam, for sending this set for us to test. And we are going to do another run with the train. Now remember, when you get the set, the switch is for forward and reverse. You can turn the backwards. That's awesome. And we are ready for the first run. Now, don't forget that these are compatible. You can put Thomas and Friends, Chuggington Brio Melissa, and Doe, and they run very smooth here. Now let's let the tray push Toby. It looks cool on the set. Ooh, there goes Toby. Now attach another train on the back, please. Attach another train. Maybe. There you go. So the magnets work for Thomas too, as the other set. Let's put Toby in behind, and there it goes. It is working perfectly. Amazing. Now you enjoy it, guys.